Y'all, I burnt my hand yesterday when I was making pizza. Can you see that? And what happened was I didn't put oven mitts on because I just wanted my pizza. And I put my hand in the oven, and the metal from the rack transferred its heat, meaning the heat went from the metal straight to my hand and kind of killed some of my skin cells. I should have just worn oven mitts. That cloth acts as an insulator and absorbs all the heat so that the heat doesn't actually get to my hand. It stays within the glove. So today we'll talk about how heat moves and what heat is. Heat is thermal energy. It's just how fast those molecules are moving. When we have more heat energy, there's more movement. If we take away energy, just like if you take energy away from yourself, you start to slow down. So heat is thermal energy. And it always moves from hot to cold. In fact, there's no such thing really as cold. Cold is just absence of thermal energy. If something is hot, it has a lot of thermal energy. If it's cold, it doesn't have much thermal energy. But remember, objects always move from hot to cold. And it moves easily in conductors, which is why I got burned. And just like in electricity, conductors are metals. And it's hard to move in insulators, which would be rubber and cloth. And those insulators absorb the heat, so that heat doesn't go into your hand, for example. And the last thing we need to do is draw a diagram. The red stands for heat, and remember, heat moves from hot to cold. So this ice cube moves from hot, from the hand, to the cold ice cube. And the air goes from hot to cold. Which means while it's doing this, the air around the ice cube and your hand are actually getting a little bit colder. So when that ice cube melts, the molecules inside the ice cube started like this. They're absorbing energy, so they're starting to move. But energy can be neither created or destroyed. So if the ice cube's getting hotter, that means the air and your hand must be getting colder. Your job today, as always, is to pass or prove it. Good luck.